us a child is born, unto us a son is given. And his name is Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, the Everlasting Father, the Prince of Peace. All glory, all honor, and all praise is his tonight. Amen. Hallelujah. I just want you to know how much I appreciate, and all the people on this platform appreciate you being here tonight. Thank you for coming to celebrate with us. We have the great privilege of doing this again tomorrow night at 7 o'clock. I hope you'll come back and bring somebody with you. At least tell somebody about it and encourage somebody to come. We'd love to see everybody again tomorrow night at 7. Have a wonderful, wonderful, blessed Christmas season and a wonderful New Year. God bless you. Thank you for coming.